Oh yeah, I present to you a Hitachi VHS movie. No, that's not the name of it. Camcorder by Hitachi. Woo, look at that. Bringing back memories. See if I can remember how to put in a VHS tape. Just kidding, I remember. Like that. The air up there is in stereo. I had to go get this tape from my dad. Oh no, I broke it! No! Uh-oh. I might have broke it. Let's try it anyway. Or the tape. Huh. How do you close it? Won't eject now. I think I broke it. All I did was put the tape in. This is what I get for not trying out before I start shooting the video.
Aw, so cute. Look at me try to figure it out and make it work. Guess what? It doesn't. That's $15 I'll never get back. Gosh frickin' damn it. But my good pal, my good buddy, Charles Babbage came to the rescue, and he let me borrow his VHS camcorder. And if you're wondering why I sound sick, it's because I am sick. And I don't know why I am doing the movie voiceover guy. So I'll just switch back to normal voice right now. I am sick though. How about we just give this another go? Take two.
Whew, it's been a week, man. I've been sick. Not feeling good. But I got a cool video here today. Something I want to experiment more with. You guys saw previously, or if you haven't, what are you waiting for? There's a card up above and the link below. Go check it out. Me messing around with VHS. Yeah, VHS tape, shooting video, and how basically teaching you how to get VHS footage into Adobe Premiere Pro, all walking through the steps and all that. But this video, I wanted to see if I could actually shoot a vlog, full-blown vlog on a VHS camcorder. So the three things to make a good vlog would be good-looking footage, good audio, gotta have good audio for a vlog, and most importantly, B-roll. Those are the three big things: B-roll, audio, and just good quality looking video. I think I can achieve two. Maybe just one. I don't know. We're gonna experiment out in the field and see what I can come up with. So let's head on outside, shall we? Can I vlog with this camera? Well, we're gonna find out. I can't give you the answer right now. Let's find out. The weird thing is, it's really heavy and I can't see myself, and I gotta hit record and stop awkwardly. So let's go. Let's try it. So the first thing I'm noticing with this is I can't review the footage to see if it's even coming out good. Through the viewfinder as I'm looking, it looks like I'm really overexposed. It does have a shutter option, and I can raise it up to, I think, up to 5,000 on the shutter speed. There's no ISO settings, and every time I turn it on and off, it resets everything. So I gotta reset it every single time I go. So the challenge is, can I make a proper looking vlog with B-roll, good audio, good picture? Well, good picture. It is only 480 and it's video VHS, so we can do the best we can. So those are the three things that I gotta do to make a good video. Let's see if we can achieve that. Also, Brittany is out with me, my wonderful, beautiful girlfriend. She was my camera woman for the day, and I was curious to see, again, I'm always curious, always testing things out. I gave her a camera with no direction. I didn't even really teach her how to use the camera. I was just curious to see what would come out. And well, she didn't do terrible, but she didn't do the best. So bear with the video quality in some spots. I love you, Brittany. You're getting better. We've shot some more stuff afterwards that maybe you guys want to check out later. It's actually pretty good. She's doing really well. She picked it up really quick. With this video, unfortunately, some spots are like, you'll see. Just please be kind to her in the comments. I don't know what people are looking at more, this or the one wheel. Don't know. I'm gonna challenge Brittany over here to a B-roll challenge. That's the camera woman right there. She's gonna use that camera, which is the best camera. Great camera. I'm gonna use this. I know a lot about how cameras work and operate and shoot really good B-roll, as you guys already know. She doesn't know anything. So we got a noob versus semi-pro shooting B-roll. I'm gonna let her use the good camera, so I'm gonna try this and see if it works. So, before battery runs out. I hope I'm even in frame. We're gonna find out. Okay, I think I got enough shots. There's no slow-mo. Slow-mo. It's gonna be interesting. See how she did though.
What?
How do you think you did?
I don't think I did well. I'm pretty sure the first half I shot was all out of focus. It could be beautiful trash.
Oh, okay.
Would be the way to describe it. Yeah, beautiful trash.
Beautiful trash.
Beautiful trash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful trash it was, or is. It was great. Some of those shots were perfect, like this shot right here. Holy crap, look at the exposure. It's superb. I just wish it was in focus and not tilted to the weird angle. But I was actually a little bit, I was pretty impressed. Yeah, you can notice a huge glaring difference in the video going from HD to 480 VHS tape. There's a big difference. Even though it's crap, I love the look of it. It has this nice little wholesome feel. I gotta stay hydrated out here, it's hot. The thing I'm running into with this is no slow motion. It's autofocused. I mean, I can go manual, but it's hard to even see because the viewfinder is in black and white. No slow motion, like I said, it shoots probably 24, maybe even 30 frames per second. So I can't do that. It looks like it could put everything into manual. Do fixed white balance, fixed. No, that's it. That's all I can do. Yeah. All right, the real test is, can I vlog with it on my one wheel? And the answer is, I don't know, because I can't see the footage yet. So here's the test. Because, you know, all YouTubers now use one wheels to shoot their vlogs, and they're always on it. So, let's find out in post. Yeah, when I capture the footage, not import it, because it's videotape. I wonder how the videotape lasts in hot temperatures. I don't know. We're gonna find out, I guess. Because honestly, I have no clue how this footage is gonna come out. None whatsoever. Because, yeah, I can't review it, check it. There's hardly any settings. The microphone's actually pretty decent. I'm very, very surprised. So for the windmill shots, it did extremely well. I was guessing my framing. I had my arm all the way out as far as I could get, and the framing was pretty good. How about that audio? It is not horrible at all. It's actually pretty damn good. I mean, it's not the best, you know, way better out there nowadays, but for the day then, holy crap, this microphone is killer. I would definitely use this microphone as a sole source for a video, and I actually chose it over the microphone I was using several times throughout this video. When I was cutting back and forth, I was using that one. It's crazy. Everything has to fit in this bag. It's not a lot of stuff, it's just a lot of cables. And so next video, I'm gonna really trick this out and probably gonna involve a little bit more cabling and whatnot, because I wanna get better audio. I wanna be able to see myself while I'm shooting. I wanna get, you know, ND filters. I randomly moved this part. This lens cover comes off. And I think I have the right threading for that to put ND filters on, so that's important. For those that don't know what ND filters are, those are sunglasses for your camera, basically. Woo! We made it. Battery didn't die.
It's kind of surprising.
I don't know how this battery's going, because it says 1% since we've been gone. Something's wrong. Oh well, but it still works. And I think it's recording. It's recording. Woo! Let's get the footage now into the computer. It's gonna take a while. It's not a fast process. Going from VHS to, you know, high quality 4K video, all that, there's a glaring quality difference. So that's where you're really gonna see it. It's not ideal, but it gives it a unique look, I think. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Now, since this thing is old, I can't remember the exact year. I think it was 94, early 90s, somewhere around there. The battery, no good. It's gone. So if you're wondering how I'm able to achieve this out and about and still be powered and all that, I'm going to show you the setup here. Spoiler, it involves a backpack. Gotta wear a backpack, unfortunately. So to achieve this is actually pretty easy and straightforward. Started with the camera, then I grabbed its power pack, and then here's the key feature of making this setup work. I use the OmniCharge to power this camera. Now this is not sponsored in any way, I just found that this works pretty well. And the reason is because it has a 120 volt plug-in, so I can plug in regular outlet type stuff into this unit and it will power it. This has over 13,000 milliwatt hours, so it's a pretty decent sized battery, and this battery is probably 4 to 6 times larger than the battery it came with originally. So it's going to power this thing for a very, very long time. The thing I was running into out in the field was, maybe it's because it was just really hot out that day, but the battery meter kept reading 1% the entire time I was there on the LED screen. So I don't know what was going on there, so it's hard to gauge how much it actually ended up using. I was kind of annoyed with that, but probably because it was really hot out. And then I used a backpack. This is the one, you can literally use any of the backpacks you've got. I just had that one laying around because I was out milling around. I had my water pack, everything fit very nicely. On my other camera that I ended up picking up at Goodwill, paid 15 bucks for it and it don't work. I was hoping this would work because the setup is so much easier to where I wouldn't actually need a backpack at all. I could be free range holding it and just walking around without having to worry about all those wires hanging around. Because the power pack that charges the battery and the thing that plugs into the wall, it actually attaches itself to the unit itself. Super convenient. Okay, I can just plug in the OmniCharge and then attach the OmniCharge to it. Maybe just simple as duct taping it or gap taping it to the VHS camcorder, and I'm free to go. Now, the funny thing is, while I was recording this B-roll, this is what happened. This is not the proper angle. I'm shooting my B-roll, but I think I fixed it. So I'm just gonna let that roll. Okay, here we go. Huh, maybe it's not fixed. Won't open now. Actually, I might have fixed it, but I can't get this open to put a tape in. But I'm getting a picture, so there's hope. Got the thing to close and actually operate again, so there's hope that the thing actually could work. So stay tuned for the future. Maybe I'll get that baby working. Final thoughts on this. Is it a vlog material camera? Can you go out and vlog with it? Yeah, you could. It's all personal preference though, really. The quality is, as expected, not the greatest, because again, this is 480 footage and I've upscaled it to fit in a 1080 timeline. This is what it looks like standard out of the camera. Yeah, that's 480. But it's still pretty good, and I think it adds an extra little flair to any sort of movie or vlog or video that you're going to be making. It adds that little interesting touch. And with a little more experience, messing around with this camera, I could probably make even better footage. Now, I'm talking just shooting style, not quality. But quality is also another interesting thing I want to try out. I'm recording it onto a tape and then bringing that tape and capturing it into the computer. What if I was able to record it without a tape altogether? I have a way to do that, and I'm curious to see if that will make the quality the best it possibly could, because I'm eliminating the tape. So be sure to subscribe if you're interested while I deep dive into the VHS world. And practice with this particular camera is needed because I'm getting these weird color shifts. I was messing with the shutter speed. I'm sure that had something to do with the weird purple, weird sky. It went black and white in moments, probably because it was overexposed and things. So ND filters will help with that. So again, I'm going to take some more time with this camera before I give it back. I'm going to trick it out with modern technology, with old technology, and hopefully I can make an even better video. So if you are interested in checking that out, remember, be sure to subscribe and follow along. That is all I got for you today. What do you think? You think using VHS in 2019 is smart? Is it an artistic look, or should it just die in the 90s? Leave a comment below. I'd love to know your thoughts. Thank you for watching this video. Very, very much appreciate it. I got some more VHS fun stuff coming up in the future. So if you're interested in seeing that, consider subscribing because I got, again, some really cool videos coming. So I'm just another Chris, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys. And make sure to click that bell. You want to get notified when I post my next video. See ya. Now here's another question I want to ask you guys. Should I shoot an entire video start to finish on the VHS camcorder? Start to finish. No mixing HD with VHS. Just starting from VHS and ending with VHS, because I think it could be fun, bit of a challenge, and I think I could actually make a pretty decent video. What do you think? Leave a comment below. I'd love to know your thoughts.